Okay, we're back at the 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau factory 428 car, and we went around the outside a little bit ago. I just want to show you now what we're looking at here. I want to show you the best I can. Here's the flaws on the interior. Both door panels have this issue. This panel here and that panel over there has a couple little issues. So you need to have a couple panels. There's all kinds of places that sell T-Bird parts. They're like on every street corner. And again, solid. No rust. It's incredible. Now, we have not cleaned, washed, we haven't even armor-alled. Whatever is here is here. This car's been sitting for quite a while, but look at this upholstery. Look how clean that is. Wraparound lounge seats in it. Headliner is extremely good. Satin finish, all factory. Upholstery, solid. Power seat, some of the power seat is functional, some of it isn't. Very likely due to contact. Probably have to have some cleaning done. Oh yes, forgot about that. Even has the tilt-away wheel. How about that? Very cool. Has the rolling speedometer in it. Oil pressure, fuel, temperature, alternator. Look at the chrome on here. Everything that's here should be here is here. This car is so close to being complete, it's ridiculous. It looks like there's a lens missing here and here for a map light. There's one lens missing back there. Let's see, and back there. There's the aftermarket radio. As I say, the original AM is in the trunk. The switches for the power windows, there's only one switch present. That is for the driver's side window. Fire 428 fires right up. Oh, by the way, I'm in Phoenix. It's about 115 outside right now, and the air is working. Boy, I tell you, that's a nice thing. So the only switch that here is the one for the driver's side, and it does work. So obviously there's power there. Don't see any reason why, if you got some other switches, they'd probably work as well. Power door locks, both sides. Power door locks are working. Center console, stainless steel covering. They have an ashtray under there, and they have a nice little piece here. Look at the condition of this. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at how nice that is. This is just such a nice little baby doll. This car is just waiting for somebody to come along and give it a good home. Give us a call. Number is 602-510-5444.